Welcome to ItzaNails. If you guys are wondering how it is that I created this nail set, you should probably stay away from this video. Just kidding, but kind of not, and I'll tell you why in a sec. So here I've already prepared the tip, filed it, cleaned it, removed the dust. Now I'm going to do the nail dehydrator with my DIY dehydrator. And so yeah, going back to explain what I meant at the beginning of the video, I accidentally forgot to either record or accidentally erased important parts of the design, so I am sorry for this. But here you see me use the Protein Bomb by Organic Nails. It's basically a primer. But yes, I'm sorry, I was thinking about trashing the video since I saw it was not complete, but might as well just at least show you the design. Anyways, these are my products that I'm using: clear acrylic, and then my favorite nail brush of all time, which is, they're fairly affordable. They did raise the prices, but I still like them. It's Alpha brush, and I'm using, I think, a number 10, and I've flattened it. I really like to use the nail brushes flat, and I range my brushes from a 10 to a 14. I really like those sizes, and an 8. I think this might actually be an 8. I'm not sure. I'm sorry, but they're Alpha brush and I love them. Anyways, at least, you know, I'm trying to show you the idea of the design. If you guys are interested and want me to actually show you a full-on tutorial on how to achieve the effect, just let me know and I'll be more than glad to do so. What you saw me do in the other nails is I'm just laying a small thin bead of acrylic, and that's to protect my natural nails from colored acrylics and glitters, which I'll be using a lot of. And this one, I actually ended up using it, the whole, like building the whole nail in acrylic and then using gel polish, which I realized I forgot to record. I'm telling you, I was really thinking about throwing away the video and just like not doing it, but I was pretty happy with the design, and at least it'll give you a design idea. Here I'm using number 211 by Tones Acrylics. And they sent me a collection a few years ago, the Miss Brazil collection, and I love it. It's pure glitters like these. It's a mixture of big hexes and small, fine glitter in many different colors, and I've used it in several videos. I really do like them. And they work well with any acrylic as well, but they also sell or have their own Tones acrylic. Now I'm going to use this colored acrylic by Ladybug Nails. It's called Dusty Rose. I love this color. It is such a beautiful mauvey nude color that would just look great. And I've used this a few times in several videos actually. And they're very easy to work with. Anyways, here you see me. I set the acrylic on the nail, and then I pat it down, and then I do light feathered strokes. As you see here, I set it down, give it a few seconds, and then start patting, I don't know. Anyways, and then I lightly feather it up with my brush. Not to drag it too hard or push, it's just nice feathery strokes. And cleaning my sides, of course, so that I don't get any premature lifting, and also so that I don't distort the shape of the nail that I'm doing. In this case, it's an almond, so I don't want it to become bulky or misshapen. You can always correct it if you do mess up and have a little extra acrylic on the sides at the end when you're filing, but I hate filing, and so I want to save as much time as possible, which means spending a little more time in the application. Here I'm using this pastel pink color again from Ladybug Nails. I'm telling you, I really do honestly like their colored acrylics. I haven't used any others, but you know, I have a full video where I show you the colors, the acrylics that I do have by this company. I bought them myself, not sponsored at all. This one right here is by far my favorite pink glitter mix. Again, Ladybug Nails, and it's called Paris Lights. I just love the combination of fine micro glitter, these little tiny mini hexes, and it's not just pink, it has like a reflective purpley pinky one. Anyways, I absolutely love it. Here, sadly, is where I realized that I had a huge chunk of the nail design missing, which is the part where I show you how I did this, the little falling snow or hanging snow, and then the sweater effect. And I also didn't show you where I added the overlay of this kind of yellowy goldish acrylic glitter on top of the mauve index finger. So I am sorry for that. If you guys want an actual full video, just let me know down below and I can at least show you just those parts of how to do it. Like I'll create another one. Obviously I don't have the missing parts, but anyways, I hope you did enjoy at least the idea. Comment, like, subscribe, and ring the bell button. Until next time.